All right, how's everybody doing today? I got this in the mail actually a couple weeks ago. I'm just gonna do an unboxing here. I had already looked at it, but I want to show you guys a project that I'll have coming up. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get to this, but this is definitely something that I need to work on. So let's get started opening this up. All right, should have a pretty good view here. The guy I bought it from did say that there's some instructions here. He bought it and then ended up deciding to go with a Dakota Digital dash. I've been really looking for a rally style set for a while. I didn't know if I wanted to go with OEM, but I ended up buying this reproduction. Let's get this open again. Like I say, I had it out of here once before. I wrapped her back up pretty good. So, he said he never installed it, and it does look like it looks like that he has not. I'm gonna try to see, you can see this here. So anyway, my plug for factory plug should plug right straight into this. He already put LEDs in all of these. This is hardwired. If you've seen the factory one, it has these traces and everything on the back. And yeah, they don't work very good. I mean, after a while, they start cracking. The connections are bad. These things where these twist in, or where the light bulbs twist in, sometimes will tear that, have bad connection. So I'll go and I'll check the continuity and all this stuff before I install it in the dash. But I have blue faced gauges in mine, and it's the same here. So you got the Rally gauge here. And I'll put my speedometer in here. And then I'm still debating on the third one if I'm going to install, get something other than I've just got the blank face in there, the dummy face. I'm thinking about buying a clock. I don't even care if it runs. I just want to have something in that spot other than the blank. I mean, even a stopped clock is right twice a day. So I really don't care if the clock works. I'm not really going to be looking at that clock anyhow. I have a tachometer on the hood. So having a tach in the dash, just, I don't know, just doesn't seem right to me. But anyway, everything here looks okay. Like I say, I'll go through here and check all these connections and everything before I install it. But that's a project that'll be later this winter. But yeah, she looks in pretty good shape. There's one little spot here. I'm not sure. I can probably touch that up. I'm not too worried. When it's sitting that far in the dash, you're not going to see. It is supposedly brand new. Got a couple fingerprints on it and whatnot, but I think I'll be all right. It recommends the sending units, tells you how to wire them up. That's actually decent instructions. They're in color. Shows how to get everything hooked up. It has some color instructions here. You won't be able to read it, but it shows, it's a bunch of tips. It tells you what part numbers to order for the sending units. So hopefully it'll install really fairly easily. The main reason that I wanted to get the Rally set is I want to get rid of my oil pressure, my temperature gauge. I'm not so concerned about my charging. I've got a brand new alternator that I got all the bugs worked out of that. But I really wanted to get the gauges off the bottom. It doesn't look original. I mean, almost all the cars had them in the 70s and 80s. But we're modern now. I have the option to get the rally gauges so that I would have I have the readings that I need. So I'm really looking forward to installing this. It looks pretty professionally made. It is just plastic, which I believe the original one was plastic anyway too. So anyway, I'll be really interested to see once I get it installed. If you guys have bought one of these, or if you've installed one and you have some tips or some suggestions on making something better, or some things problems that you've run into, and you could help me avoid problems, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. I have some more videos coming. I got the the stroker kit for the engine rebuild. So please keep an eye out for that. I should have an unboxing of that here posted before the end of the weekend. Thanks. Have a great day and see you in the next video.